Now let's work with modifying your data, because in real projects your dataset is never perfect. You will always need to fix values, add new information, update existing data, or transform data to a better format. And pandas make all of those things very easy. Now I'm going to create another file. Let me just create the file modifying.py. Here I'm going to import pandas and numpy once again. I'm going to use my orders.csv file. I have created 120 orders. To make it data frame, just do like this: data frame orders is equal pd.read csv, and this is the name of our csv file, which is orders.csv. Now let's try printing it out. Orders head dot head. Run the file using the command uv run 06 modifying.py. Here we are getting first 5 rows. Okay, let's modify a specific file. Actually I'm going to copy the data, so the original data will be unaffected. Orders.copy. Now I'm going to work with this df modify. So let's update something in df modify data frame. So to do that, we need to do this df modify dot loc. We have used iloc and loc a few more times. We can do modification with this df underscore modify, then product name. Actually we are going to check if the product name is equal which product we are going to select. Let me just see this: wireless headphones. Then if it match, then we are going to set the product name to, let's make it Bluetooth headphone. Here we are actually modifying with log function. We are using this condition: if product name is wireless headphones, then product name will be changed to Bluetooth headphones. Use this df modify. Yeah, here it is. Let's try again. Now we have Bluetooth headphones in place of wireless headphones. We can even modify multiple cells. Let me just copy this and paste it below. Here we are again going to use log function, and this time we are not going to change product name. Instead we are going to change something like let's change the category. Okay, so let me just copy this and paste it here. If category is electronics, then we are going to change it to something else. Okay, if category is electronics, then we are going to change unit price. Then the unit price will be different than 79.99. okay, unit price will be, let's set some tax. Tax is equal 0.8. then we are actually doing, we'll actually do some calculation in here. So let me just copy this line, and again I want to go to the next line, therefore I'm using this sign, and here, okay, calculating this unit price multiplied by tax. This is going to be our new category, electronics unit price. Okay, so let me try this. Before that, let me print it. Print multiplied by 40. Okay, now copy this line, paste it below here. Again run this command. Yeah, we got electronics. This is the first one which is Bluetooth headphones. This is the category of electronics. Now we got unit price 63. Previously it was 79.99. Let's do some string transformation. Let me just go below here and here df underscore modify, then product name we are going to make it to uppercase. So let me just copy this again. Whatever product name we have, we are going to make it to uppercase, star upper. Okay, now let's do lowercase as well. We are going to make this category lowercase. Okay, so let me just duplicate it with Ctrl D inside Python. This one will be category. Copy and paste it here. Instead of upper, just write lower. Then we can also make something title like. So let me just do that. Ctrl D, and here just write title, and we are going to add another field that is going to be product name underscore title. Now the title will be df modify product name string title. Now let's see how it works. Again I'm going to add this break so you can understand better. Let's see how it looks. Now we have all product names with all uppercase, we have categories with all lowercase, then we have product name title which is at the very end. A column has been added manually. So those are my products name. All of them are in title case. And here this is one of the way to add a column. There is another way to add a column. Let me this is the way we are going to use again. This time we are going to make it total. We are going to multiply by unit price. Let me just copy this and paste it here. It will be unit price multiplied by quantity. In that way we will get our total price. So let me just copy this and paste it here with a multiplication sign, quantity. Let's again add another column. This one will be we can even set static value like this, USD. We can use assign function in order to create a new column. So let's do it. df with discount df underscore modify assign. In here I'm going to pass the name of the column which is discounted price. Let's use lambda function in here. The perfect place to use lambda function, lambda x unit price multiplied by 0.09, actually 0.9. This will be our discounted price. Then again create another column. Let me just copy this by using Ctrl D for duplication. is expensive, then we are going to again use lambda to calculate it is expensive or not. If unit price is greater than 100, let me check all the prices so I can understand. Yeah, unit price has greater than 100, so let's, if it is greater than 100 then it is expensive, otherwise it isn't. Okay, we have printed with print statement df modify. We will get only product name, unit price is expensive, discounted price. Let's get this category product. Okay, let's get this currency, and let's get this total. Okay, that's all for now. Let's see in the terminal. Open your terminal and run this command again. We are getting an error. Okay, it's expensive, is not in index. We had used this df modify, now we are using df with discount. So let's see the result. Product name, this is the unit price. It is saying it is expensive or not. If it is, the unit price is more than 100, then it is expensive, otherwise it is not. And this is the discounted price, and currency, this is the total. Hope you understand. Let's use map for replacing values using dictionary. So let's create a dictionary. Okay, this is the dictionary I have created. A status mapping. Previously the status was delivered, shipped and pending. Now I want to change delivered to complete, and which is shipped, that would be in transit, pending will be processing. So in order to map all those values, I'm going to just create a new column and create the mapping. So let's do it. df modify order, actually it will be inside a square bracket, as you know. Order status is equal df underscore modify. Currently we have order status, so let me just make it shipping status. So here I want to, actually not here, I made some autocomplete by mistake. So this would be order status to shipping status, and this is where I'm mapping. Let me just print this again, but this time we're not going to use df with discount. Instead we are going to use df modify. In here we have column unit price, and here I need shipping status. Okay, actually not replacing, it is creating a new column with name of shipping status. Let me not use this head so I can show you in transit and other status as well. Here we have processing, and here we have none because there must not be any value, so therefore it is showing none. Let's create another column. This column name will be stock status. Here we are going to use where function for conditional value assignment. So let's do that. Stock status, here we don't need this. Instead we are going to use numpy np dot where. This is the function we are going to use. df underscore modify, we are going to modify if quantity is greater than 1, then we have high stock. Actually we can do like this. We have high stock, else we have low stock. Low stock. Again print df underscore modify, then we'll have stock status and product name within double quotation or single quotation mark, product name. Let's try it now. We have high stock, low stock, high stock, low stock. Okay, we can rename column as well, so let's do it. df underscore modify dot name of the dot modify dot rename, and in here columns is equal, this is going to be a dictionary previously, which we have stock status. Now we want to change this to only stock. Let's change it to stock. Okay, now I'm going to print it again, product name, then we have the stock. Let's try it out now. Yeah, I am getting an error, I don't know why. Actually, I'm not renaming to stock. It is the problem of my autocomplete. It is not letting me work properly. Sometimes it does. Okay, now we have high stock, low stock. We can even rename multiple columns. Just create a dictionary like this. This is going to be the name of our current column. We are going to change this to product. Do same for this one and this one. And here we are going to use the function rename, df underscore modify dot rename. Here all the columns we are going to map and in replace true. Now we are going to print it out. Let's see how it works. We have this product column. Actually this should be, I guess it will be price. Actually let's again try. Yeah, here we have product. Okay, again price. Now again try. Now we have product, price and status.